So, how are you? What's up? So, there are different types of gratitude journaling. Today, I'm talking about gratitude journaling. How to do a gratitude journal. Okay. So, you have heard lots of time. There are different types of journaling, mood journaling, gratitude journaling, simply journaling. So, today I'll discuss a gratitude journaling. So, how to write in a proper way, in a proper method, in a proper technique. Okay. So, guys, there is, as you wake up morning, early morning, practice, or whenever you wake up, just close your eyes, take a deep breath, stay calm, and practice gratitude. Practice minimum five thing, or five some words, or whatever feeling you have, five thing, or have a gratitude for five thing. And notice, guys, listen, guys, those five gratitude list should be different daily. Every day that should be changing. Keep on changing that. Don't have a same gratitude for daily or a 1 month. Don't do that, guys. जैसे कि आज एक ग्रेटिट्यूड आपने लिया है, पांच ग्रेटिट्यूड आपने बनाया है, तो for next day also there should not be same, there should be different. So each day practice daily different five gratitude, and that should be very, in a very exciting, positive, happy. Affirm it proudly. So feel it, and don't have a complaint, have a gratitude. It will change your life. You can vent out, pour your emotions in your journal. Okay, guys, so just write down, keep writing, keep mentioning your journal in your gratitude journaling. Create a There are different apps also in a Play Store. You can download a gratitude journaling app. There are very, great, fantastic, in the form of the pictures, the visions. You can create the imaging, painting, coloring. So that will be more interesting. It looks very nice, and you will gratitude from within, from, happily. एंड लाइक मजबूरी में आप नहीं करोगे, दिल से करोगे. एंड इट्स ओके, कभी कभी आपकी लाइफ में बहुत उतार चढ़ाव आते हैं, देर आर many ups and downs. So still you have to gratitude. जैसे for example, I'll show you the example. First gratitude: today I am alive. Second, my all body parts, my eyes, my nose, my teeth, my tongue, my hands, my body, my legs are working normal. They are safe. They are absolutely normal. My each and every organ is normal. I am healthy. Third, I'm breathing. I have a great family. My parents are very good. My family is very good. My sibling is very supportive. Okay. So fourth, like, in my home there are lots of things in your homes, like you have a TV, sofa, bed, cupboard, cushions, beautiful cushions, soft cushions. So you can practice a gratitude on small silly thing, guys. There should be a long list. You won't even realize. Like fifth, there is a gratitude journaling on, I have a good pen, good diary, different unique type of books. I have many different types of, great amazing books. So you can do that also, just for छोटी छोटी बातों को लेके, small few things also. You have to be a gratitude, you have to be grateful. And like sixth, or for next day, you have to be grateful for just one. You can keep common, like I am alive, my body is working normally. That is first one. But apart from that, keep four different, at least minimum. You can try for that if it is finding difficult for you. Like second is, on day two, you can practice, like I have a beautiful TV, a smart TV, Android TV. Second, I have a good shelter, a good home, a good interior. Fourth, I have a bed, for a beautiful bed for sleeping. I can sleep properly. I don't have, means you don't have insomnia or any other thing. Don't say negative words, remember. Just say positivity, just remember and feel that what you are blessed with. You have a good sleep. Fourth, uh, the water in your house, it is coming from all the there is abundance, there is no leakage, nothing. Like आपके घर का पानी बहुत अच्छे से आता है, because in some cities there is lack of electricity. In villages there are no electricity, no water, no drainage system, no road or electric facilities are there. So you have that, guys, so you have to be thankful for that. Okay, feel proud of that. Some don't have food and clothing and shelter, and everything is having to you. Have gratitude for that. Have a gratitude for small pencil, rubber, eraser, sharpener. You have your makeup kit. So simple like this thing, you have to be there. You have to be very, grateful for the mother nature, the environment. Okay, the atmosphere, the knowledge, the YouTube channel you have. You're having lots of infos, knowledge, you're practically applying it, imbibing and inculcating in your life. So have gratitude. Practice daily at minimum different five gratitude. One is common, okay, at least four you can practice. So 365 days, different calculate, multiply by 4, how much it will be, you will be feel blessed, how much you will attract the abundance in your life, guys. Just imagine, guys. So you will be always feeling blessed. You will attract prosperity, money, happiness, health, money, happiness, prosperity. Okay, so yeah, you have to just, it is very easy, guys. It's absolutely free of cost. You can do it anytime. You can just do it practically, follow it, do it daily, at least minimum for 66 days or 180 days. I must say that you should follow a lifestyle. As you drink water, have your food, your meals, this is the basic thing you should do. You should do a 365 days. Don't miss it, don't give up. This is the best, quickest, fastest and the easiest method, easiest way, okay, to achieve a success. Okay, guys. And your all complaints will get vanish, will disappear, happiness will come. You will become a lively, a cheerful, a happy person, and attract lots of prosperity, peace, and eternal as well as materialistic success, both kind of success. Okay, guys. So this was all about gratitude journaling. Okay, bye, stay tuned, see you soon.